Introducing the 2019 Volkswagen Golf RL 1.6tdi M5F 5-door, packed with features for maximum comfort, safety and style. This sleek estate vehicle in grey offers a powerful 115 horsepower diesel engine and manual transmission. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Rest easy, knowing it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Plus, it comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Call us or visit sandyfordmotorcentre.com for more information today.